So this is me. Say hello. Alright, cool. Thanks to be cool. Later. Alright. Alright. Okay, so the other the video where I made the video kinda cut off. Inadvertently I cut it off. So I wanna show now pow meat pie. The kids them is sweet. Show them some love, man. You know the comments. Yeah. My body, I love the ITAL music. So this is a new road, and if you don't know new road, comment. Used to live on new road, make I know. General. So this the pow meat pie. Old school. Right there, the old school meat pie spot pow. Excellent morning. So there's nothing to it, just real simple. Yeah. You know how prices, not true? Oh yeah, excuse me. Yeah, so yeah, the prices. Cool. Let me see. People ain't doing anything but they work as excellent. Thanks for that. Thanks for now. Alright, so one of my videos what I want to do, I want to actually get the meat pie and show you the meat pie. That will be another time for sure. Cool. So hey, like, subscribe, share. Tell me you wanna think about Paul and Darius if you're used to eat Darius meat pie. Paul. If you're not used to eat Paul meat pie like me and other people with lemonade. If you remember Mr. Paul. Very strict guy. If you're disciplined, you are here and be friends. If you're not disciplined, you are here and be enemies. Tell me if you remember that. Tell me what you think. I know how I love the man. That may, if I'm not mistaken, he's from Jamaica. Hard worker. Really keep to yourself. Morning. So right over there used to be at one point downstairs and upstairs used to be St. John's Extension, where you could get your diploma if for some reason you never had the opportunity young. Yeah, big man, yes, I cool. Going to college. Nice. This, like the other place that used to be, this used to be one of Turks downstairs. Wooden. You buy it up and refurbish it. Yes, big man. Straight. Respect. Yeah. I used to watch TV. 19-inch color television. They're around the area that what I used to do. Yep. Never used to have color television. Who had black and white. 12-inch. Yep. You know, sometimes people shame at me. I don't give one treat. And I get color television 19 and when me and my wife married. All the rest of the time I used to watch on 12-inch. I mean, you had people that clunk me, but you know what? They clunk me if you clunk themselves. Because I real and fake. Because I don't say why you have to be fake. Yeah, you know, I tell everybody your story, but it is what it is, man. Why worry what people think? That's like go to a funeral. Because right then you humble you. Worry what people think, man. Be real. No? I enjoy the days there. When I married, my wife bucked me have a stamp on the floor to make the TV get back straight. Man, a clown. You know, I grew up in a house where car seat. Man, a clown, no refridge. Clown me. I don't care. And the ones that were clown, we shall see a situation where they're not today. No got nothing. Zero. Not like I got anything, but you feel me? I never got nothing. And I still not got nothing. I dead cool. And you could clown me all you want. And usually people who clown other people, they don't want a heart. They either jealousy over something or something. Sad situation. Yeah, so I always tell people, no worry about what people think, what people say. You know what Creole say, right? Every fat folk got a Sunday. It's respect. Man, they just come for a mission. Cool. So make I go back, so. Yes, morning, big man. Yes, I cool. Yeah, in that thing, boy. 12 inch, that place there. That place just bring back a lot of memories, I think, boy. Yeah. TV, transistor. By that at Chapel Mall. Still watch the place when I go? Morning, brother. Oh, yes, man. You don't know. I say hello to some of my viewers there, man. I'll say I'm quick nip on the job, but the man cool every time pass.
Morning, guys.
Yeah, man. Don't say.
Peace and love. Peace and love.
Every time. Short and sweet. Thanks, man. Every time. Yeah, you too. Stay safe.
Likewise.
Thanks. Morning. Want to say hi to my friends and mommy? Alright. Next time? Alright. I know he may have said no, right? But yeah. She may have put cheap on her name and be going viral, man. She shy. Yeah, in her life I learn a lot. Continue to learn. And one thing, you know, don't worry what people say. A lot of people very close to you, where you think close to you, are the haters. You know, they watch your lifestyle, and yeah, bro, yes, sir. They jealous you. You know, real talk. Then get in a situation, you are hear the sense. You know, like if you don't want a man where, or a woman where, got your family and you take care of your family first, why you this, yeah, you that, have to hang out with your friends. They are not your friend. First of all, if you got friends, then I encourage you to stick with your family. When you then get in a situation like that, or even before, with family or whoever they feel like going first, you're the last. Learn out the hard way. Yeah, bro. Yeah, yes, respect. That's why when I move by myself. From my babes, that's it. No tail, ever again. Me, John, my wife. Real talk. Alright, so we're right back where we start. I'm going to take care, stay safe. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. And I hope you enjoy the English videos as well. The algorithm, they make it really tough now. But it don't matter to me. It is what it is. Everything in a life, you have to work hard for it. Anything good, anything easy, no working. Take care, stay safe, and let me know it's on site. And so I shout out to all my subscribers, future subscribers and my viewers. Hey, like, so continue like, subscribe. New viewers, enough respect. And my people there from New York, New Jersey, all over the US and Jamaica. Respect. And to my regular guy from Jamaica, we come in. Big up yourself, big man. Big up yourself. Enough love. Thanks so much. Catch you on later. Enough love.